We have this code from GitHub that we're gonna compile and upload to our esp32. Right now it's uploading the file to our esp32. As you see, after compiling, it gives us the access point and IP. Now we go to our tab and connect to the Wi-Fi that esp32 is giving. We know the access point and password. Now let's open Chrome and type the IP that esp32 gave us. As you can see, there's a nice UI. If you slide the slider, the LED will get brighter, and you slide it back, it would get dimmer and dimmer.